right.
There he is. All right.
Got my toolbox today. So where are my kids at? Come on, where are my kids at? Here we are. Oh man, we're really heavy over here. We got a few over here, but kids, what is this? It's a toolbox. What do you do with a toolbox? Yeah, you put tools in it, right? All right, I need 3 volunteers. Oh man, okay. Let's do you right here. Let's do Aiden, come on, and Abigail. Come on. Okay. Now, here's what we're gonna do. I want you guys to reach in here, and I want you to grab something out of there and tell me what it is. Actually, sorry, I need one more volunteer. Who wants to come? Somebody just come. Just run up. Yes. Oh, 2 people. Hey, this is good. This is great. In fact, I got some screws. Come on. Screw. All right, here we go. All right, wrench. All right, now, what do you have? Abigail's got a drill. You've got a screw. You've got a what? What is that? That's a wrench. What's that? It's a screwdriver, right? Okay, so what do we do with these things, right? We use these tools to help us build something, right? Okay, now, let's put them all back real quick. I want to show you guys something. All right, now, I want you to try to drill this screw in with this and tell me if that's going to work. Press that button down. Okay, what's going on right there? Is that working? No? Why is it not working? It's not working because it needs a battery. Okay, this is a drill. You can't use a drill without a battery, yes? Okay, so, unless it's a kid drill. He got me on that one. All right, so I'm going to get my handy-dandy screwdriver here. We are going to unscrew this. Okay. Let's get this off, guys. There we go. All right, now let's grab a couple batteries out of here. All right. Andrew's prepared today. Come on. All right, got some AA batteries. Pop those in. Pop the top on here. Now we got to screw this in, don't we? All right, let's see. All right, let's give it one more shot. What do you think? Hey! It's working. Here, let's show everybody. All right, it's working, right? All right, so now kids, I got one more question for you. If you had a whole bunch of toys, right? You guys have toys like in your room, right? You have probably a toy box or something. You have more than 200 toys? Can I come to your house? Come on. That's amazing. So let me ask you a question. If you have toys in your room, are you going to play with those toys? Yeah, because most likely unless they're old. That's it's an honest answer. Yeah. So you're going to play with the toys, right? So here's the example I want to give. So I'm going to talk this morning about the gifts of the Spirit. Now, if we have gifts that the Holy Spirit has given us, like toys, we should use them, right? Yeah, we should use them. In fact, I would go so far as to say, like this drill, remember the drill analogy where we had to put the batteries in? I think sometimes we as believers are trying to use a drill without the battery. You guys get where I'm going with this? We have the gospel, right? We have Jesus within us. We have the Holy Spirit right here, but we're not using the drill. We're not properly using the gifts that He's given us, and we don't have a battery. I feel like the Holy Spirit this morning wants to empower us to use the gifts of the Spirit like a battery, that when you put that battery in this drill, it does what it was intended to do. It has the ability to fulfill its greater purpose, right? What's part of our purpose? Jesus said, go into all the world, preach the gospel, heal, cast out demons, and actually in Mark 16, he even says to use various tongues, to go forth in tongues. So if the Holy Spirit has given us these gifts, right, kids, shouldn't we use them? We should use them, right? All right, you guys can go back. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was awesome. Give them a hand. That was so good.